This is Fibr, your go-to source for everything Android. When your Android phone restarts randomly by itself, there are 8 troubleshooting steps. You can attempt to force the phone to restart, cool down the phone if it overheats, free up more space, plug the phone into power, update Android phone operating system, delete apps in Android phone safe mode, reset the device in recovery mode, and contact support for further troubleshooting. Here's a fast tutorial to fix your Android phone that reboots randomly using these solutions. 1. Force the phone to restart. Forcing your Android phone to reboot is simple and stops random restarts in seconds. Here's how. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a phone with a removable battery, just pull out the back cover, take out the battery, wait for a while, put it back and press the power button to boot the phone. See if the device runs normally without restarting unexpectedly again. 2. Cool down the phone if it overheats. Overheating also can lead to random restarts on Android phone. To cool down an overheating phone, first remove any case to enhance airflow. Then, move the phone to a cooler, shaded area away from direct sunlight, or consider placing it on a cool and dry surface or using a fan. If your Android phone still restarts itself randomly, try the next step. 3. Free up more space. Storing a lot of data like files and apps on your phone reduces the amount of storage space that's required to let the operating system run properly. As a result, the system gets stuck and then Android phone turns off and restarts randomly. If this is your case, go and clear out the old data and unused files like photos, videos, contacts, and so on. 4. Plug the phone into power. Like the storage space, your phone battery might be running out of power. As the device doesn't have enough power to run the operating system, it chooses to restart. And in your eyes, your Android phone is restarting randomly. To solve this problem, plug the device into the power and charge the battery for at least 1 hour. It's advised to use a wall power outlet instead of a computer's USB port or power bank. Once finished, do a forced restart and see if it stops Android phone from restarting automatically. 5. Update Android phone operating system. Make sure the version of your Android phone's operating system is not too old. You can go to the Settings app to see if there's an update available. If you can still access the phone, tap Settings, tap System, and tap Software Update. Download and install the latest Android OS on your Android phone if it's available. 6. Delete apps in Android phone safe mode. When your Android phone randomly restarts, it can be caused by a bad or disabled app. To figure it out, reboot your device in safe mode, where all third-party apps will stop running. Here's how. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold both the power button and volume up button until you see a menu screen like this. Use the volume button to choose the safe mode and confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for your Android phone to boot in safe mode. If your Android phone stops restarting randomly in safe mode, it means some apps result in the single reboot. Your next step is to find those faulty apps, clear them away, and then hold the power button and tap Restart to restart the phone back to normal mode. 7. Reset the device in recovery mode. Resetting your Android phone to its default settings can fix all kinds of performance issues, including the issues that Android phone reboots itself randomly. Keep in mind that this will result in data loss, and they're gone forever if there is no backup. Here's how. After turning off the Android device, connect it to a Windows computer. Now, press some buttons to enter recovery mode, in which you can perform a reset without the disturbance of any random reboots. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data/Factory Reset option, and use the Power button to select it. Then, choose Yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the Power button and Volume Down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode, and use the Power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press Power button plus Volume Up button. Then, use Volume buttons and Power button to select Wipe Data/Factory Reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the Power button and Volume Up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data/Factory Reset option, and use the Power button to select it. Next, select Yes to trigger the reset process. Now, see if the random restarting issues are fixed on your Android phone. 8. Contact support for further troubleshooting. If your Android phone randomly restarts after dropping, screen replacement, or battery replacement, you'll need assistance with hardware issues. Look for a customer service phone number on the website and call them for help. Or, you can visit the repair store along with your randomly restarting Android phone in person. Here's the end of the video. Hope this video helps you fix an Android phone that restarts randomly on its own. If it does, please give this video a like and share it on Facebook or TikTok. Your support means a lot to Fibber. Let us know in the comment below if you still need help. Also, don't forget to subscribe Fibber to acquire helpful Android tips and tricks.